Are you struggling with your iPhone keyboard? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Guiding Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you two different easy ways of how you can fix the problem if your iPhone keyboard is acting up, it's not working properly, it's lagging or having any kind of problem. Then don't be panic. Let's go ahead and see how to fix this. Well, so the keyboard problem commonly happen when you have software bugs and glitches with your iPhone. Now to remove this one, you just need to force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button, and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your keyboard problem will be fixed. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the problem, then the very next step that you can take, open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down and tap on keyboard. Now once you're here inside a keyboard, tap on keyboards again, and he'll get to see all the keyboard that you have on your iPhone. So if you're using any third-party keyboard, go ahead and tap on this edit button at the top right, and go ahead and tap on this red button and tap on delete in order to delete any third-party keyboard that you have with your iPhone, because third-party keyboard can make this happen. So be sure to use the iOS authentic keyboard on your iPhone. Simply go and tap on done and just get back from here and check your issue. And hope one of this process will fix your keyboard problem. But if any case, if you're still having the problem, then this is the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset. Simply go ahead and tap on reset keyboard dictionary and then put your iPhone passcode, and then simply go ahead and tap on reset dictionary. This will actually reset your keyboard settings and it'll get back to the default. Most likely the problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.